morning, students. Last class we discussed about digital logic gates. Next topic, synthesis using and or not gate. Okay. First of all, what is meant by synthesis? Synthesis meaning combined. Okay. Combine using and or not gates. Okay. What it means? Okay. It means take any digital device or digital system, take any digital device, okay. This digital device we can build by combining and or not gates. We can construct or build digital device, any digital device by combining and gate or gate not gate. Okay, we can construct any digital device by combining and or not gate. See, we know take any material, okay, that material can be divided into molecules and that molecules divided into stuck in okay. Molecules divided into atoms. So from the atoms we can build any material. Similarly, by using AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, you can build any digital device. You can build any digital device. Now we will see how we will build any digital device using AND or NOT gate. Okay. Every digital device have a Boolean expression. Every digital device have a unique. Every digital device have a unique Boolean expression. A unique Boolean expression. So, if we draw the diagram for the Boolean expression, nothing but we are constructing the digital device. We are constructing the digital device. Now, once again, synthesis nothing but combining or combine. Okay, every digital device. Okay, synthesis nothing but combining. So the topic is combining using and or not gates. Okay, what is the meaning of this topic is any digital device we can construct by combining this AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Any digital device we can construct by combining AND or NOT gate. Okay. Now, okay. Implement below expression using AND or NOT gates. Okay. Implement using AND or NOT gates. Now, okay, given expression is f is equal to x dash y plus j. Okay, left side is output of the device, output of digital device. Right side variables are inputs of digital device. Okay, so it is a digital device. Okay, we have the three inputs x, y, z, and we have single output f. Okay, x, y, z. We have the inputs and output is the f. Now we need to construct the. We need to draw the internal diagram of the digital device. You need to draw the internal diagram of digital device using AND or NOT gate. Okay. Generally, we use two input AND gate, two input OR gate for the drawing. Now, okay. The first thing what you need to do is Okay. The first thing what you need to do is what you need to remember. One more thing is dot or product indicates AND gate. Okay. Next, addition indicates OR gate. Next, complement A dash or A bar. This one indicates NOT gate. Okay, remember this. Now, based on this information, you need to draw the figure. You need to draw the internal diagram. Okay. See x dash y. Okay. X dash, how you will get x dash? X dash you will get from the NOT gate. X dash you will get from the NOT gate. Then you have x dot y, x dash dot y. Okay. Dot nothing but AND gate. Dot nothing but AND gate. What is this plus sign? Plus sign is indicates OR gate. Okay. Here we do not have any rules. Okay. First we have the inputs XY gate. From the XY gate you need to get the output F. Okay. So F is equal to okay. Take the inputs X, Y, Z. Okay. Now F is equal to X dash dot Y plus Z. I am considering these two variables as one variable F1. So F is equal to F1 plus Z. Okay. F1 plus Z nothing but OR gate. Okay. If there is an OR gate like this, what is the expression of the OR gate? Expression is A plus B. Okay. So here output is F and we are having two inputs. One is F1, one is Z. This is F. Okay. But what is F1? F1 is equal to X dash dot Y. X dash dot Y. Dot nothing but AND gate. Okay. If this is the AND gate symbol, AND gate symbol A B, what you will get A dot B. So here X dash is one variable and Y is another variable. So draw one AND gate. One input is X dash, one input is Y. So from here you will get in F1. And generally, how you will get the X dash? X dash you will get from the NOT gate. NOT gate A, you will get A bar or A dash. So X dash you will get from the X by passing through and NOT gate. Okay, when you are passing X through NOT gate, you are getting X dash. Okay, Amma, this is your diagram. Now connect the corresponding variables F1, F1, connect X dash, X dash, connect. Okay. Now this is our internal diagram of the digital device. So it is having NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. X. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. Here we do not have any rules. Okay. Digital device. Okay, Amma. Like this. Okay, basic gates you know, you have the idea. So with the two input AND gate, two input OR gate and NAND gate, you need to construct the internal diagram of the digital device or given Boolean expression. Okay, this is the first example. We will go with another example. If you have any doubt, you can ask me here. You can doubt unta adaganu. Okay. Second one, implement below expression using AND OR NOT gate. AB plus CD. Okay. Now, before drawing the internal diagram, okay, we know left side is output, right side indicates the input variables. So the digital device have four inputs A, B, C, D, single output F. Okay. Okay. Drawing a digital device with input and output known as specifications. Drawing a digital device with input and output known as specifications. Okay. Mentioning the drawing the digital device with specifications. Okay. Or you can, if you feel difficulty, no need to mention. Okay. Digital device inputs are. Now draw the internal diagram. We need internal diagram. And the internal diagram should contain two input AND gates, two input OR gates, and NOT gate only. Okay. So what I am doing, F is equal to AB plus CD. First, minimize the given Boolean expression into two variables only. Minimize the given Boolean expression into two variables only. How many variables we are having here? A, B, C, D. Totally four variables are there. Try to reduce these four variables into two variables. Okay? By grouping two variables as one group. Okay, AB is one group, CD is one group. I am considering this group as F1, this group as F2. Okay, you have to reduce the given Boolean expression into two variables only by grouping two variables as one group. Okay, so you will get f is equal to f1 plus f2, where f1 is equal to ab, f2 is equal to cd. Okay, now what is f1 plus f2? f1 plus f2 nothing but OR gate, two input OR gate. Now we are having only two variables, so stop the grouping process. Okay, whatever may be the expression given to you, you need to simplify the given Boolean expressions into two variables. Okay, how to simplify? By grouping two variables as one group. Okay, you need to group two variables as one group. Okay, and you need to give some name. I am giving AB as name f1 variable, CD as given name f2 variable. Now f1 plus f2, this is nothing but simple OR gate. We know f1 and f2 is simple OR gate. So you will get f, where the inputs is f1, f2. What is f1? f1 is equal to a dot b. Dot nothing but AND gate. I told you dot indicates AND, plus indicates OR, complement, tick OR, bar indicates NOT gate. Okay. Now f1 is equal to a dot b. Dot nothing but AND gate. So one is a, one is b. This is f1. Next f2. C, D. Okay. Now conjoin f1 with f1, f2 with f2. This is the internal diagram of the given Boolean expression of digital device. Okay, Amma? Next, third example. Implement below Boolean expression ABC plus DE. ABC plus DE. Okay. Now, how many? Okay, this is the output generally. Left side is output. Right side are the input variables or inputs of the digital device. So, how many variables it is having on the right side? 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, 4, 5. So 5 variables. What we need to do is into two variables. Okay. In that process, you need to make two variables as a group. In that process, you need to consider two variables as a group. Okay, this digital device having 5 inputs: A, B, C, D, E. Single output. Yeah. Now radius F is equal to ABC plus DE. Okay. Now I am grouping. Okay. Two variables as one group. DE F1. Okay. Any two variables A, B or BC or AC, whatever it may be, that is your choice. F2. You should not take three variables. You should not take three variables as a group. Take only two variables as a group. Then you will get F is equal to A into F2 plus F1. So 5 variables reduced into 3 variables. But your grouping process should not be stopped here. You need to continue until you get two variables. So I am considering A into F2 as F3. So F is equal to F3 plus F1. Now two variables are there on the right side. So stop the grouping process. So stop the grouping process. Now draw the diagram, internal diagram. First, F is equal to F3 plus F1 plus nothing but OR gate, two input OR gate. F3. Next, what is F3? F3 is equal to A into F2. F3 is equal to A into F2 into nothing but AND gate. AND gate. One input is A, one input is F2. So the output you are getting is F3. Next, what is F2? F2 is equal to B into C. Into nothing but AND gate. So you have drawn individual diagrams. Now connect F2, F2, F3, F3. Okay. And what is F1? F1 is equal to D into E. F1 is equal to D into E. D, E. Okay. This is the internal diagram. Now, here okay, this is the internal diagram of given expression or the given digital device. Okay, like this, you need to draw the internal diagrams. I will give you one example. You solve. AB plus CD plus E. Solve this one. Try to solve this example. Okay, Amma? Okay. Tell me how many two input AND gates you are getting in the final diagram and two input OR gates you are getting and NOT gates you are getting. Okay, give the number like this. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3 like this. Just give the number in the chart box. Just give the number. How many AND gates you are getting, how many OR gates, and how many NOT gates you are getting. Just give me the number in the chart box. ఏంటమ్మా సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నారు లేదా ఎవరన్నా? ఓకే. AND gates 2, OR gates 3, NOT gate 0. ఓకే. AND gate 2, OR gate 2, OR gates 2 ఎలా అయితే అమ్మా కాదు, OR gates 3, 2 కాదు. Okay, only 3 responded. Let me. Okay. OR gate 2. Okay, let us see. Okay, it is having 5 variables. It is having 5 variables. I ask you to reduce these 5 variables into 2 variables. Okay, in that process, group 2 variables as make 2 variables as 1 group. So this is F1, this is F2. So F is equal to F1 plus F2 plus E. So here you are having 3 variables. Again, we need to reduce further. So I am considering F1 plus F2. You can consider anything. F2 plus E or F1 plus E, you can consider anything. Okay. No fixed rules are there. You will go on your own choice. F3. F is equal to F3 plus E. Now, two variables. Stop the grouping process. Stop the grouping process. Now, F3 plus E. Plus is nothing but OR gate. So, one is F3, one is E. E. Now, next, F3 is F1 plus F2. F1 plus nothing but OR gate. Okay. Now, what is the F1? F1 is equal to A into B. F2 is equal to C into D. This is F2. This is F1. Okay, we draw individually. Now do the connection. F1, F1, F2, F2, F3, F3, and E. So we have AND gates to, OR gates to, NOT gates 0. And see here, what are the inputs of the device? A, B, C, D, E. This is F. Now, look at variables. Through how many gates the variables are passing. Through how many gates the variables are passing. First, look at the A. Look at the inputs A, B, whatever it may be. See, A is passing through AND gate. Then again, the output is passing through OR gate to give us F3. Again, F3 is passing through OR gate and we are getting F. So, when the input is passing through AND gate, we consider this one as first level. The internally, we consider this one as first level. Again, the output of this first level, again passing through OR gate. So, this is called second level. Again, this output is passing through OR gate. So, this is our third level. Okay. So, in the internal diagram, we also have the levels. We also have the levels. First level, second level, third level. And for that, you need to look the path of the variables passing from input to output. To decide the levels, you need to look the path of the variables passing from input to output. So here, take the variable A. It is passing through first AND gate, next OR gate, next again through OR gate. So it is passing through three gates or three levels, first level, second level, third level. Okay, next. Okay, implement below expression. Okay, this is the expression. Okay, F is not there. Okay, F is equal to, they will give like this. Okay, but the left side is not there. So don't consider output is no output is there. This completely indicates output. This completely indicates the output. This completely, totally indicates the output. Sometimes they may express with left side variable, or sometimes they will give direct expression like this. Okay. Now tell me how many two input AND gates, OR gates, NOT gates are needed to implement this. OR gates 4, NOT gate 1. Okay, let us see other responses. Gate 1, now gate 3. Okay, responses are varying. Let us wait for unique response. 2, 3, 1. Okay, let us see. The given expression is having 5 variables. So I want to reduce this one to 2 variables. So I am considering v dash c SCI one function. So a into f1 plus d plus e. We have 3 variables. Again, try to reduce. So I am considering a plus f1 as one function. You can consider d plus e as another function or another variable. So f2 plus f3. So our output is f2 plus f3. So one is f2, f3, or gate. f2 is equal to a into f1 into means AND gate. One is a, one is f1, f3 is d plus e, plus nothing but OR gate. One is d, one is e. What is f1? f1 is equal to B plus B dash plus C. B dash plus C means OR gate. One is B dash, one is C. B dash will get from the variable B through NOT gate. Okay. So connect to B dash, F1, F1, F2, F2, okay, F3, F3. So how many levels are there? One more question. How many levels are there in this internal diagram? So we need to look at the longest path. To find out the levels, you need to look at the longest path. You need to look at the longest path. So you have three OR gates, single AND gate and single NOT gate. Okay. Here AND gate is 1, OR gate is 3, NOT gate is. Now we need to look at longest path. Okay. For that you need to check each input. A, B, C, D, E, you need to check. If you look at the A, from the A to output, this is the output. From A to output, how many levels are there? A is passing through one AND gate, next OR gate. So two levels are there. Next look at the B. B is passing through NOT gate, one level, OR gate, two level, NOT AND gate, 3, OR gate, 4. So B is having 4 levels. Like this, you need to check each one. C will have 3 levels, D and E combinedly having 2 levels. So we need to consider highest levels. So 4 levels. So this internal diagram having 4 levels. This is the first level, second level, third level, fourth level. We need to write the levels of the variable passing from the long distance. Okay, which is having the longest path. You need to choose the longest path from input to output to decide the levels. Okay, Amma? With this, we completed the synthesis using AND OR NOT gate. In the next class, we will discuss NAND and NOR logic networks. Logic networks we will see in the next class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will end the session. Okay, right. Ending the session.